Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I want to show you a movement that I call sawing the log. This is a fantastic movement for building your center muscles, your core. It builds your pushers, your shoulders, your triceps. It builds your pullers, your lats, your biceps. It's just a great whole body movement that, well, if you do it, you'll know. You will know. Anyway, enough of that. All you do is we're going to get on all fours, feet and hands, and we're going to keep our butt down below our head. And if you have a small sled, it works with a small sled, and you just push and pull, keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth, trying to breathe in and out through your nose. But you just hold your body up and you saw the log. So that would be one. That would be two. But you could work on doing, a set of 10, 20, whatever you got. And it looks easy, but like I said, you will know. And you can, obviously, if you had a small sled, you could make it weigh as much as you wanted it to weigh. If you don't have a small sled, maybe you could use a weight plate, and you could do the same thing. And obviously, if you had a weight plate like this, you could find ways to make it heavier. It's really more about the friction than anything. But this is one you kind of got to try to believe. Like, it glues you together. And it feels good in a, I just did some work kind of way. I feel like I've been working, which is a nice feeling because body was made to move, but we're actually made to work, and we work through movement. And it's just good for you. You feel like you've done something and gives you a sense of accomplishment. And again, systemically, you'll know. It feels good. Anyway, give that a shot. Sawing the log. I think you'll really be pleasantly surprised if you've never done it. And if you have done it, then you know what I'm talking about. All right, kids, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.